close everything down. It's not going to affect me now. The room key controls the power, but the power is what I charge my things up while I'm gone. I mean, that's like the same thing in Greece, and I'll ask for a second one. But when I take that out, whoa. The only one that can bleed with an electric shaver. The only one that can cut himself with an electric razor. Looking back, when I arrived in Milan the first time, the train station, which was a spectacular train station, mind you, they also provided me one of the most surprising, delicious chocolate croissants that I've had. We're not going any further than right here. Take a look around, right? Because this right here is like a fake food truck. Oh, that's a good one.
Signori, vi presentiamo la classe degli asini, di cui fa parte l'orchestra Kramer con I suoi solisti. I was to believe that they were all going to be that good. Sadly, they have not. Sadly, they have not. Signorina Maccabei, venga fuori, dica lei dove sono I Pirenei. Professore, io non lo so, lo dica lei.
Can I have a chocolate croissant and a double espresso?
Okay, that's it.
That's it. Thanks. Thank you. The problem with these people is the chocolate is an afterthought. But that being said, it's good. This morning I was at the hotel and I started wandering around and I found this staircase, right? So I thought, I wasn't sure if there was a restaurant upstairs, so I went up there. The staircase was crazy because it was all steel gridded that you could see through. It was quite an optical illusion. It was a very uneasy optical illusion. Anyway, so I opened up these doors, not sure if they're gonna lock behind me. Last night I went out and roamed around, and there were so many people around. Everything was very beautiful, but that type of crowd, if you ask me what I enjoy more, and I make it onto a unrenovated floor. Whoa. Wow, I mean, it's open. And what's crazy about that unrenovated floor, it was very cold. What's crazy is the walls, the windows were completely out. It's open. I mean, the wall is open. This is... Oh my God. Look at this. Listen, if I was risky, if I was brave, I'm really not. I would do a drone flight. They have a paramilitary presence here, guarding things. You know, it's not allowed. And number two, you know, also I shouldn't be here. Yeah, complete exposure to the outside. It's also freezing. Wow, all right, come on. Let's hope the door's open. If anything, we'll go back up and do a time lapse. 15 floors up that I easily could take the drone and fly it out there and get an incredible shot. However, from what I've seen in this city, I don't think they just slap you on the wrist. I think they lock you up here. So that whole top floor, that's where I was. That's all blown out. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sneak up there, maybe sunset, and do a time lapse. I think that's good enough. But oh, it would be a good shot, y'all. But I think they lock you up here.